this is Melissa. Welcome to watch our video collection about Melissa talk about cake box. So today I'm going to introduce a very common and popular cake box. That is the cake box with separate lid and box. As you see, this kind of cake box is really popular from all over the world. No matter if from American or Australia or Philippines or France or even Kenya and Dubai, most of our clients like this cake box very much. So what about more information about this cake box? So firstly, in this cake box, we have different size and different shapes and different height for our customer to choose. As you can see, the medium size, and this is small size, and this is medium size. And also, we have the rectangle size, rectangle shape, and also this box can make very big size. And as you can see, this height is about 16 inch. So firstly, it's about this size. So as we doing now, the most common use size we make to our customer is like 10 by 10 by 8, 10 by 10 by 10, 10 by 10 by 12, and 12 by 12 by 12, and 12 by 12 by 12. So those size is most of the customer will looking for the size. Secondly, like this box, you can going to have the lid without window like this one, or also you can to have the box with the lid on the box lid and to have a better looking. And also, if you want to have a window in here, we can also do that. So the thirdly is about the printing the box. As we see, this is the white color box. But we have more and more customers looking for customized printing for their logo like this one. They want to make, this is packing with our logo. And some other customers also want to have the logo in here. Like this is the 4-color printing, different pattern, and this one is the 1-color printing, and this one. So this is very popular, and more customers is looking for this. Okay, so this is we are going to take about the products of the cake box. So customer will ask, so this box is so big, how can I get the box in a very small volume? So you can see this is the box this way, how it packed. We unload the box and the lid. So I will going to show you how this box is going to be a whole box. So the lid is just open like this way. Very easy, right? And then secondly, we flap the box. As we see, we just very easy. Oh, sorry, it's okay. So we just flap the lid into the box. It's very easy, as we can see now. And so when this one is finished, we are going to put this cake. You can see our sunshine cake board, very beautiful, into the boxes. See, it's very easy, and also if you want to take out, it's also very easy too. And you put the case in, then we can unpack the box. So it's very easy. And then we're just going to flap the lid. So easy. So it's very complete, and when you have a window in here, you can also see the case inside. The last step, what we do is to pack the case with the ribbon. Sorry, I'm not very good at pack the box, pack the. So, I'm done. Yes, got it. So you just pack the box and let it fry. So it's really looking and very common and useful to use to pack the case and deliver the case. So next, this video is talk about the cake boxes with separately and the box which common use and the common very popular size. So next video I'm going to talk about the cupcake box. So I welcome you to follow us as always as Sunshine Picking Way. Happy on the way. Bye bye.